MP na Angor ko ibuga Soroti Joan Alobachom ngesi etepege aina peta no itomokite komitilo eyait anumnumio na Apaaran na Angor kopolo kite na eyait no Angor ko Soroti damali asekenye atakantu nu akaule komiti ke asekenye alemun apariti na kesari kanyape o lapalo kanyeto o kalopolo nu yitokina ebuga Soroti ai numunum Apaaran na Angor e balalo boybe apotu kesi e dautu ai numunuma Apaaran na Angor erasi atomo na angon o lapalo ngonet o kalopolo ibore yene balange sebe e kotosulu anyami Angor.
As we are all aware that the Women's Day celebration was successfully completed on 14th of April 2023, where we organized as the Women MP of Soroti City managed to be part, and on the 14th of April 2023, we had a celebration. Even if it took place with the police and RCC Peter Pex running with us up and down, I have also written to the city clerk and the PCDO, that is the principal community officer, and tasked them and asked them that the money that the government sent for the Women's Day celebration, which is 3 million, should be divided among the women groups so that they can be able to uplift their income. Just because I managed to handle all the Women's Day celebration expenses on the 14th of April, so that money is still intact and in position to help our women. I don't want anybody to deceive the public that there is another second Women's Day celebration. And you are using my women, our women of Soroti City, to make money. Women of Soroti City are not an economic room for you to make money from. I have never been part of these organizations, and I am going to sue them for defamation.
Onye asekenye ngese ketarako balebe epota ina peta nu aja kina neda ilipitori ngesi alobo ai morki kini keda kesi ai numunuma Apaaran na Angor.
Soroti City mami numno ntara pakina apotses kusu kunyetsa pakina ngaren so akota ngata marebe jai kopani anyu nebi jia kapana kin anyu neba pakina ikwaikina ye esubuni apotses kunyetsa pakina ngaren narai Apaaran wa beitu rapak amameti kapuni konye kwa nene reng milioni ni unilwe jupuna pugani alomutu so ebeiti sa anyu nebe ikapunu nguni epota eso maunu ebeit apejono na ngosi bib nebe itabunere nesi total ope a right honorable speaker Anita Mong nisebeita jaun ukuchitilo papa guest of honor teker ngunu ine rasebe dauna pakina mama pakina bui dauna politics ngun inachika lobo akote ngoja itimite so isoma narke because offices mami ya unechi politics jembere jebe mamdi itorabunero meeting post ora ikarka ja vice chairperson inachika bia soma tane pepe mamdi peda ngala ngore badauna pak mama pakya dauna wajalaka ngori kwa iksahi inumnu mataka chepa adolutike chekapun
Ineri twasega ngitoko MP aloboka asekenyeda Kanu Apaaran kana
lolo ajai ngoni aito diar anyinyura ka ndepe kala kangor no mura pisu a Women's Day apod ko stand out the celebrations ala kala ngone tatomna ngon konya to our surprise people was ba kai bon be there's a Women's Day on Friday ingai boy gana isingat bugo Women's Day a Women's Day ngon e podara ko sa nyami asa ngoro ara biai
akotongo ailip amchalana kere Kanu ino angara no kono Angoro kere ebe ne jaro na imor kikina e jaina pakin ne mame ora imor kikina e mame ina pakin ido mame ona kere anu totoma ajeni ngobe kingangi na e jati akachaka na omito site tunga bala ada unuko cheta ino munuma Apaaran na Angor ani bodobo ne nit konya kotongo ite jeni kinate kere chutonjo ko be Apaaran na Angor kwa Soroti City mam ino munumi tai
Kanuka TV East Rebecca Mongin Koibuga Soroti.